Good afternoon, friends. I am Asma Attar. I used to take environmental science for B.Sc second year. Our university has added this subject to make the college students aware of the basics of the environmental concerns and encourage them to protect their environment for better and healthy future. Today we are going to study nature of environmental studies. The word environment is derived from the French word environneur, which means to encircle or surround. Thus, our environment can be defined as the social, cultural, and physical conditions that surround, affect, and influence the survival, growth, and development of people, animals, and plants. This broad definition includes the natural world and the technological environment as well as the cultural and social context that shape human lives. Now, scope of environmental studies. Natural sources, ecology, and biodiversity, environmental pollution and control, human population, and social issues. These are basic aspects of environmental studies which have a direct relevance to every section of society. Several career options have emerged in these fields. These are broadly categorized as research and development in environment for promoting sustainable development. Green advocacy. It is related to various laws and acts related to environment. So, lawyers can plead cases related to water, air, forest, wildlife, pollution control, etc. Now, green media. Environment awareness can be spread through mass media, which required environmentally educated person. If you want to give news about environment on TV, radio, newspaper, etc., for that the environmental educated person is must required. Now, environmental consultancy for systematically studying and tackling environmental related problems. If any industry having pollution problem, having waste control problem, such problems can be solved by environmental consultancy. Now, segments of environment. There are there are some spheres around the our planet Earth. First is atmosphere. Blanket of gases surround the earth is called atmosphere. You already know there are gases like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen are included in atmosphere. Hydrosphere. Various water bodies present on the earth is called hydrosphere. Lithosphere contains various types of soils and rocks on the earth. Biosphere composed of all living organisms and their interaction with the environment. Now, importance of environmental studies. At present, a great number of environmental issues have grown in size and complexity day by day, threatening the survival of human beings on the earth. Environmental issues being of international importance. Issues like global warming, ozone depletion, acid rain, marine pollution, and loss of biodiversity tackled with international cooperation. Problems cropped in wake of development. Developments like urbanization, industrial growth, transportation system, agriculture, and housing is required, but it should not affect other factors. So, what happened? Development is affecting some other factors, so we have to make a proper management. Explosive increases in pollution. You know very well which pollution increasing and its adverse effect on human being. In next chapter also we are going to study detail about pollution. Need for alternative solution. For the environmental problems, there is a required alternative solution. Need to save humanity from extinction. You are also going to study there are some animals there which are going to extinct because of human being or pollution. Need for wise planning of development. While we are taking development or taking place of development, it should be properly planned. It should not be random. Okay, so it should not affect on human being. Need for public awareness. Growing population. You all know how population explosion taking place in India and its drawback. If there is more population, we are unable to get all facilities in equal proportion. Next is poverty. India is called a country of poor people. Many poor peoples are directly depend on nature or forest for food, fodder, shelter, etc. So such people should aware or they should get other things which they require for their daily basis. Environmental degradation. We are also going to study this point. Then agriculture growth. Use such agriculture practices which will never affect environment and which will also improve the soil quality. Need to increase groundwater. It is essential to restore water quality. Development and forest. We know while construction of dams, lots of forest area has been cut out and it also lead to problem of rehabilitation of people. We have example of Narmada Dam, Bhakranangal Dam. It take a lots of catchment area of river and from that area the forest area is cut out and people are also shifted to other place. So such problems should tackled properly. Degradation of land. Nowadays maximum land is used for construction. So very less land is available for the use of agriculture practices. Evil consequences of urbanization. Nearly 30% of urban Indians live in slums which having problem of sewages and drainage system. Air and water pollution. People should follow all the rules to control pollution.